How to stop Roblox from crashing. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on search button on top right corner of your screen and then search apps. And then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on app info, which is the first option. Then you'll find all the apps in here. Search for Roblox, click on Roblox and force stop the app. Press on OK, then go to storage and cache. Click on storage and cache and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply clear cache and clear storage. After you're done, simply open Roblox, log into your account and you're good to go. This is how to stop Roblox from crashing. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophie signing off until next time.